Hello everyone, welcome to Opal Rosella channel. Today we are excited to share with you 5 signs that your bird truly likes you. Building a bond with your bird takes time, but once you see these signs, you'll know your parrot is happy and trusts you. So let's get started. The first sign your bird likes you is when they take food directly from your hand. Birds are cautious by nature, so if they trust you enough to eat from your hand, it's a huge indicator that they see you as a friend. It's a simple but powerful sign of trust. Sitting close to you. Sign number 2 is when your bird enjoys sitting close to you. Birds like to be near those they trust. If your bird chooses to sit on your shoulder, arm, or simply stays nearby, it means they feel safe and enjoy your company. Another way to know your bird likes you is preening. Parrots often preen to keep their feathers clean and healthy. But if they're doing it around you, it means they feel comfortable. In fact, if your bird ever tries to preen you or your hair, it's a big sign of affection. Showing that they view you as a part of the flock. Next sign is excitement when they see you. Does your bird chirp, whistle, or flap its wings when you walk into the room? If so, they're showing how happy they are to be around you. Birds express affection in many ways, and excitement at your presence is definitely one of them. The final sign is relaxed body language. If your bird is calm or has fluffed the feathers around you, it means they feel at ease. A relaxed bird is a happy bird. And this kind of behavior shows they're comfortable in your presence. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on parrot care and bonding with your birds. See you in the next video.